Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well. So we're going to start off with the HerGivenHair unit. This is a kinky curly unit. I believe it's 16 inches and this is a V-part wig. So I will link everything you need to know about this unit down below, and I'll have a code and a link for you to be able to purchase this unit. So we're starting off with freshly washed hair. I went in with the Dove shampoo and made sure I cleansed it really well on the inside. And now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Just For Me natural hair milk. This is basically just going to condition and moisturize and make the hair really soft. And I'd go ahead and brush through and, you know, let that product get in there. Now, as you see, I went in with the curling mousse. This is by Pantene. I believe it's the Gold Series. Sorry I left the mousse in front of the camera, y'all. I be forgetting that I'm recording sometimes. But I just go ahead and apply however much I felt I need. And I really like this mousse. I use it as the product that's going to define the curls. And it does a really good job of that. It also mixes very well with the Just For Me hair milk. And it doesn't give it like a super crunchy feel. It's perfect. It's super soft. So that's what I really liked about using this product on this hair. So here it's really important that we get the nape area of the wig. You want to make sure we detangle that and give it just as much love as we give the front of the unit, the top of it. Now I'm going to go ahead and start styling my unit, and this is the first time that I did a twist out on it. It's a very chunky twist out. It's not something that's like super difficult or extremely detailed. I'm just going with the flow, you guys. So I'm going to start off by detangling the sections that I want to split it into. I'm going to add the gel, detangle it one more time, and then begin twisting. After I finish twisting, I'm going to twirl the end of the hair with my finger and scrunch it up. So I literally did this all around the unit. It's 11 twists, and I honestly think it took 8 minutes. It didn't take that long. So after I finished this portion, I just sit it in the living room to dry. But honestly, it was still damp. So I would prefer, or I'd recommend that you would blow dry it or diffuse it, you know, to make it dry faster. Otherwise, you can wear it damp when you take it out, and then it'll dry as soon as you like leave the house. Like, this hair dries really fast when it hits like natural air. Now we've made it to the fun part, you guys. We're going to install our wig. Of course, as usual, my braid pattern is not the best. I have 2 flat twists on the outer sections, and then the inner sections are braids. Yeah, let's not judge me. I'm very, very lazy when it comes to my own natural hair, and I just I can't deal. But anywho, I'm just applying it comfortably below the flat twist. I'm not going to apply it on any of my twists or braids because I'm doing a little chic style. Those braids in the middle are supposed to be like a little design, a little razzle dazzle to the style. So you guys will see what I mean. But we're applying the wig, we're making sure it fits. I'm putting the combs in comfortable positions. I want to make sure there's no tension, and, you know, make sure that it's comfortable for you. Now, when it comes to removing the twist, there's no special way that I did it. I'm just going to take the pink gloss spray, and it has a lot of oils in it, and it creates a lot of shine. So I'm going to use this and rub it on the twist and begin taking my twist out. So there's no special way I take the twist out either. I would be more careful if you're actually doing this to your own natural hair, but on a unit, honestly, I don't think you have to be super specific on how you take things out. I like messy, I like volume, so I'm just taking it all out. Like, there's no particular way that I'm doing it. Just throwing that thing everywhere, okay? After we've removed all of the twists, we're going to begin crocheting the pieces around the track into my flat twists. So these are the twists that are on the outer sections of those braids. So this part is pretty self-explanatory. You're going to put the crochet stick through your flat twist. I know you can barely see mine, but you know, don't judge. And then you're going to put the hair in the loop, close the latch, take it through, and that's how we're going to start blending the unit with our own hair. And this is also kind of like a no leave out style. It's a low manipulation style. You guys, any hairstyle that I get, I cannot make this up. I'm always posing after every single movement or every single step of the style. I have to pose to reassure myself that I'm cute. So yeah, that's just a me thing. But I wanted to let you guys know how we're going to kind of do the intersection of the braids, because I know there's a bigger gap. You're just going to continue to do the same thing. Where those braids are intersecting, where they're overlapping, right where they're overlapping, I'm inserting some hair through the braids. It still looks extremely natural, like, and there's no question about it. I'm telling you, everybody thought that this was my hair. And I had told my auntie the other day, like, no, this is a wig. She was like, what? I was like, yes, girl. You know, I'll be fooling. Nonetheless, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, enjoyed the style. I think it's really cute, very simple. You don't have to be all super neat with it. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.